In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hailuo AI with Kling AI. We'll set up a smooth, creative flow that starts in Hailuo and moves into Kling so you can take advantage of both platforms without any confusion. I'll keep it clear and practical, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and why. First, open your browser and go to the official Hailuo AI website. When the page loads, you should see the standard Hailuo interface and branding. This ensures you're in the right place before you begin. Think of Hailuo as the visual starting point for your project. This is where you'll set up the assets that will later fit neatly into Kling's video workflow. From the Hailuo homepage, click on Hailuo Agent. This brings you into the central workspace where creative tools and generation features are organized. It's essentially your dashboard for visual production, and getting comfortable here makes the rest of the process much easier. Inside the agent area, click on Create Image. This opens the image creation canvas and shows you the options available for making still visuals. Even if your final deliverable is a video, seeing the image space first helps you understand how static visuals are managed and previewed. It's also a good way to plan visual styles and consistency before you move into motion. Next, click on Create Video. This takes you to Hailuo's video section, where the interface is geared toward motion content. You're not changing the overall plan, just confirming that the video environment is set up and ready. At this point, you've visited both the image and video areas, which ensures your visual concepts are aligned and prepared for the next stage. Now switch over to Kling AI and open the project page. Once you're there, click on Generate. This starts a fresh workspace in Kling, where your creative controls become more production focused. You'll notice this space is designed to bring visuals together efficiently, which is exactly why setting the stage in Hailuo first is helpful. Finally, click on Audio in Kling. This opens the sound tools you'll use to manage voiceover or music tracks for your project. Having audio accessible right here keeps your visual and sound decisions in sync, so timing and pacing feel intentional. That's the connection. Begin in Hailuo to orient your visuals, move into Kling to initiate your project, and open Audio to prepare your sound layer. Follow these clicks in order and you'll have a clear, repeatable workflow that keeps both platforms working together seamlessly.